Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to
Fermat room 1042.
FAMAth 1042. So this was a problem from the pre-calculus book you're working in, Art of Problem Solving's pre-calculus book. And it said, find all the solutions to z cubed equals minus 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2I. And it wanted you to find them in
Exponential form.
yeah, exponential form. So we'll take a look at that problem now. So why don't you, this will probably take two videos, but why don't you give your initial thoughts?
Well, so if we look at this on the complex plane, so we have this, if we have negative 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2I up here, and we say that's on this big circle here. It's not really a big circle, but then the roots are going to be on a smaller circle, since when you cube something, its length, its magnitude also cubes as well.
Okay.
And since if we had just the regular roots of unity, they would be located, this is not the unit circle, but they would be located here, here, and here. And in this problem,
Yeah, I believe we have a working marker nearby. If you want to put in, yep, that works. If you want to mark where the regular roots of unity would be if we were pretending we're on the unit circle.
it would be sort of here.
Okay.
But in this case, if you want to multiply to get to here, since the angles add, you'd be multiplying by 3. You're multiplying the angle by 3. So it's as if this here is this part of the real axis, so you'd be rotating the roots of unity by this angle here. And then that would give you the roots to this equation here. So this angle is 3 pi over 4. Call it 3 pi over 4. So first, if we figure out this length here, this is 4 root 2, this is 4 root 2. That means this is going to be 8.
Okay.
That means this length here is 2.
All right.
2 cubed is 8. So now we look at the angles. So 0 goes to 3 pi over 4. Just add 3 pi over 4. This here would be 2 pi over 3. The angle would be 2 pi over 3.
Mm-hmm.
Adding 3 pi over 4 to that, so that become 8 twelfths plus 9 twelfths, so 17 pi over 12. So that would be 5 pi over 12. So it doesn't look quite right, because it's supposed to be somewhere over here. I guess another way we could look at it is, even though these are separated by 120-degree angle or 2 pi over 3.
Mm-hmm.
This is 3 pi over 4. If we subtract 2 pi over 3 from 3 pi over 4, we'd get, so this would be 9 pi over 12, and then 2 pi over 3 would be 8, so you'd get pi over 12 here.
Okay. Here, adding 2 pi over 3 is
17 pi over 12. This is where the other root would be. 17 pi over 12 is actually over here.
Okay.
So we figure out the angles now. So just now all we need to do to put them into exponential form, we know the if exponential form is re to the I theta, we know this r is 2 because that's the magnitude.
Okay.
So your roots are 2e to the I pi over 12, 2e to the I 3 pi 4, 2e to the I 17 pi over 12.
Okay. All right. So let's go to the second video and see if we can check our answers on this. Okay.
Alright.